Hey everyone, Zubair here from Zubair Creative Studio. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to save you some serious cash. Are you ready to get ChatGPT Pro or Plus for absolutely free? Stay tuned because I'm about to show you a method that works 100%. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to search for Oxum on Google. I've got the direct link in the description, so make sure to check that out. Once you're on that Oxum website, sign up for a fake account. It's super easy, just follow the steps and register yourself. Now, you should see the Oxum dashboard. Choose the first option, which is CGAI. Next, open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Click on the login option. Now, go back to your Oxum tab, copy the email, and paste it into ChatGPT. Click Next. Back in Oxum, copy the password and paste it into ChatGPT. Click Continue. Now, in Oxum, click on the third option. This will take you to a link. Click on this link, and a new tab will open with a verification code. Copy this code and paste it back into ChatGPT. Finally, choose oxam.com as your option. And there you have it. You can now use ChatGPT Plus with all its features, including GPT-5. Remember, don't add any personal data. Keep it simple and enjoy your free. And that's how you get ChatGPT Pro/Plus for free. Remember, the direct link to Oxum is in this description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.